The journey to becoming a good engineer starts from day one at IST, where you're welcomed not with just an orientation, but with an AI bootcamp. And almost immediately, you realize this isn't a place where last night's studying is enough. Here, you're expected to push yourself to build, to experiment, and to keep going. Because that's where real learnings begin. And from day one, founders and mentors here at IST push you to think beyond just learning, to build something of your own, to take ideas seriously and see how they can turn into something real. You start looking at problems a little differently, not just as assignments to solve, but as opportunities to create. Because the focus here isn't just to make you job ready, it's to help you think in a way where you can create opportunities as well. As the bootcamp moves into day 2, it becomes more hands-on, diving into generative AI, prompt engineering, and even understanding the basics of how drones operate. You're experimenting, making mistakes, figuring things out, and somewhere in that process, things start to click. That's where the learning actually begins to stick. And by day 3, it all comes together, building a drone from scratch, step by step, and actually flying something you created on your own. And that's how we stepped into IST, not just with an introduction, but with a clear sense of what the industry really expects. And as that journey begins, you start to realize it's not just the lectures or assignments shaping you, it's everything happening in between. And just when you're getting used to that pace, the energy shifts. It starts with something like Garba night, where the campus feels completely different. People you've just met suddenly don't feel like strangers anymore. And without realizing it, you're becoming part of something bigger than just classes. Then comes Intellihax, where things get real. 24 hours, sleepless nights, working alongside your team, ideas slowly turning into reality. Long hours, constant debugging, trial and error, and somewhere between this isn't working to wait, it just did. You start to think differently. Not just about solving problems, but about staying with them, figuring things out until they're finally solved. And once you've experienced that kind of intensity, it starts to reflect in everything you do. And you begin to see it clearly on with students making it to stages like the Smart India Hackathon finals in their very first year, building a different level of confidence right from the start. Then comes moments like the Vijay Trophy, exciting, competitive, and quietly inspiring. Hearing it directly from cricketer Ishan Kishan, his journey, his experiences, you start to understand what it really takes to reach somewhere. It's not just about winning, it's about showing up, performing, and pushing a little beyond your usual. Because sometimes you discover what you're capable of only where you're in that kind of environment. And then there are moments where you step back and look ahead. Sessions with IIT faculties on things like agentic AI, where you're not just learning what exists, but where things are going.
It would be really beneficial for the students to actually gain that industrial knowledge at this time itself, right? That's something that's going to lead them to become better engineers.
It changes how you see the field and where you see yourself in it. Alongside that, sessions mentored by people who have actually cleared programs like GSOC, where you're not just taught concepts, but guided through real experiences by those who've already been through the process themselves. It changes how you see the field and where you see yourself in it. And then everything shifts. Atran takes over. Music, performances, lights, energy everywhere. The same place where you were building, competing, pushing through deadlines now feels completely different. And somehow that shift matters because it's not just about how hard you can work. It's also about how fully you can experience the journey while you're at it. And somewhere along the way, it all connects. The late nights of building, the moments of competition, the conversations, the celebrations, it's never just about one thing. It's about the kind of environment that quietly shapes how you think, how you approach challenges, and how you go through it all. Because in the end, it's not just about what you learn here. It's about everything you become along the way.